Y'all see my cat back there probably. Yeah, I'm still getting used to this camera. But hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trish. Today we are going to be unboxing a Hungry Root box. This box is a little bit heavy. I don't know if you guys can you see it? Yeah, it's a little heavy, but it's Hungry Root. And for those that know me, if you've been here before, you know that I meal prep my food, and I usually meal prep it on Sundays. But I have done an order with them in the past, and I liked what they had. If you go on their website, they have every kind of like diet that you could possibly want: carnivore or carnivore, vegan, gluten-free, low carb, high protein. They have a little bit of everything on there. But I ordered from them before, and I wanted to do an unboxing. This is my second order. I really liked what I ordered. You can pick and choose. It takes about a week to get it to you, but we're going to unbox this and make sure I got everything that I had ordered. I love their food, and honestly, it keeps me on track. If you have your meals prepared and take with you to work, on the job, traveling, whatever the case may be, it really does help you stay on track for whatever your personal goals are. Whatever, if you're trying to gain muscle, lose weight, just be healthy and active, feel better. That's why I personally like ordering this. You can do it yourself, but this just saves me time from going to the grocery store and ideas. It just actually comes together, and I really enjoy it. So anyway, I am going to share what I got with you all. It comes in this big box I just showed you all, and then it also comes with an ice pack in it. It also has this list. It tells me, of course, it tells me what all I ordered. I don't know if y'all can see that, what all I ordered. And then it has the recipes on the back. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty simple. I personally like it. I ordered the stuff that I had ordered before, because before they just kind of let them randomly send me stuff, because I wasn't real sure. I had never tried this. But in this box, I got some chicken and dumpling veggies with, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, yuzu dipping sauce, and I absolutely love that. And these packs are pretty big. This is these are the veggies that go with the chicken and dumplings. And then I also got the rotisserie and green chicken goddess salad. You get 2 of those, and these meals are made for 2 people, but I'm by myself, so I get 2 meals out of each little thing that I order. And it's got, of course, the onions. Which one is this one with? I think oh, this goes with the rotisserie chicken green goddess salad. And this is the sauce I'm looking for. This is for my chicken quesadillas. I love these wraps, and they are just so simple. I'll show you guys here in a minute. There's also an ice pack in here. It also has your kitchen guide that comes with it. It's got a bunch of like tips, stuff that you might want, just healthier ideas, like for your what you might want to have on your fridge and your freezer, your pantry. It's just got all kinds of cute little tips in here. Ready to get cooking. It'll tell you what you need, like 10 or 12 inch pot, large pot, sheet baking dish, trusty chef's knife. I can't talk. Like I said, this has got a bunch of different little tips in it, and I love this little thing. And then in the bottom of the box, they sent me some. I have not had this, or yeah, this actually goes with my chicken. This goes with my salad and my onions. It all comes together. It's super easy to piece together. You cannot beat that. I just feel like that's so simple, and I don't even have to think about it. And this is super easy too. This quesadillas I showed y'all. This is my quesadillas, my shredded chicken that's already here. And then it has my pepper jack. I mean, that's just so simple, and I love quesadillas. But you put them together, just super simple, easy, simple meals. I ordered quite a bit of that because I love those quesadillas that good. And then this is the chicken dumplings that go with this salad. It goes with this salad and this yuzu. I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But it all goes together, and I love it. And like I said, you get 2 meals out of each thing of these, so you cannot beat it. And then there's my other chicken and dumpling. Apparently I like chicken because I got the chicken and dumpling I got the chicken, I got the rotisserie chicken green goddess salad, and then I got the chicken dumpling veggies with the dipping sauce, and then I got the pulled chicken pepper jack quesadilla. So apparently I love chicken. It looks like a little bit is melted because it comes with the ice pack, but I'm going to stick these in the freezer. Like I said, it took it just a couple, it takes about a week to get your order, and then you can, like next week they'll have a follow-on order, or you can skip it. Next week I'll be skipping mine because this is going to be a plenty for me. And then I'll place another order the week after. And this is almond chickpea cookie dough, if you can see that. But I have not baked this. I got this in a prior package and I loved it. I loved it so good that I ate it just with a spoon. And at night I always want a sweet treat, so it's a good sweet treat. And then of course this is the big ice pack that comes with it that keeps it frozen. It's pretty solid. I mean, you can tell it's melted just a little bit, but I'll just throw this out. And there's actually a way that you can dispose of this. You can actually cut the corners of the gel pack. It's actually gel. And then you can put this on. It says cut the corner of the gel pack, pour gel packet contents into the soil of plants and water. May dilute with water first if desired. But it's supposed to be like plant food, so I am all for that. And I have, like, if you've watched my other videos, you know I love plants, and I try not to kill them, which I have not done that with this yet. But I am going to try it, so I'm going to let it thaw out and put a little bit on my plants and see what happens. And that is all the meals I got. But that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I get like 10, 12 meals out of this. And actually, I'm going to go make me some chicken quesadillas here in just a minute. And I keep looking at the viewfinder and not the camera, so I apologize for that. But if you're in the market, I highly recommend them. This is not sponsored. They do not pay me. I just wanted to share a review just so you can kind of see what comes in the box. Like I said, you can go on their website at hungryroot.com. You can check out all the different options they have. Do a questionnaire to whatever fits your goals. I'm sure they have something there. Tried Hungry Root or any other brand that you've done meal prep with? If you leave that in the comments for me just to try something out that you'd like to see a review on, either whether you've tried it or not, and I will do it. And again, thank you guys for watching.